Hey guys, it's RJ the Tech Reviewer here, back with another video. I actually have two items today, and this video is sponsored. Just wanted to clarify that in the beginning. So here we have an iPad case for the iPad Air, the iPad Air 2. The Pro 9.7 inch and all the older iPads, and we also have tempered glass. So let's do the unboxing of this case first. Very soft, rubbery plastic. And this case does have a slot for the Apple Pencil. You got the speaker cutouts on both sides. Then you've got the charging port that's open, and you have a little opening to push the Apple Pencil through if need be. You also have a slot that's up here. Let me try and get in here. A slot that's right here for the Apple Pencil. I guess I don't know what this would be used for, this slot up here. But there's also two holes, one here and one here. You also have your cutouts at the top here for the headphone jack on the iPads, your speaker port again, the microphone, and another speaker port right here. Let me try and get it in. Let me try and get it into focus. So you got the speaker port there, and you've got the sleep-wake button here. Then you've also got the camera flash, or I should say the camera module, the cutoff for it. Then on this side you would have the volume rocker and the slider that's usually sitting right here. I'm not 100% sure what that would be used for. And right here, let's see. Right in this slot right here, that would be used for a microphone as well. And that's basically it with the case, because of course I can't actually use this case because it's for an iPad and I don't own an iPad at all. But I will remove this picture so you guys can see what this looks like outside of it. So it's a very clean, shiny, rubbery plastic. It's flimsy, but you can still use it. It still works. And here's that slot for the Apple Pencil. So it's somewhat rugged. It doesn't feel like it's going to break apart very easily, but definitely looks very good. So now we have the tempered glass to look at. Let me cut the sides of this. Bear with me. Okay, and one more. Now, let's open it up. Careful. And this is tempered glass for an iPad, and it does come with wipes and cleaning material. This is what it reads on the tempered glass. Just so you guys can read it. I also want to reiterate that I was paid to do this video, well, to get the products in for the video as well, so I'm not going to be putting this on my own tablet because this wouldn't fit. This is not going to fit my tablet at all because this is for the iPad. But I will just open it up and show you guys. So the only thing you have is the cutout for the iPad. That's all you have on here, because even at the top you don't have any cutouts. There's no cutouts for the camera module or anything, so that's been an unboxing and review. Actually, two unboxings and two reviews. One of the tempered glass, which you just saw. I should say this. The tempered glass, and also the iPad case as well. So that's been the unboxing and review of these two products, and I hope you guys have a great day, and see you in the next video.